we are going to practice in this video is sound pa. Repeat after me, pa. 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 Pa in pod. Again, pod. Pebble. Again, pebble. Plum. Again, plum. Plus. Again, plus. Please. Again, please. Parrot. Again, parrot. Puzzle. Again, puzzle. Paddle. Again, paddle. Pick. Again, pick. What other words have the initial sound pa? Very good. Now, pa in ripple. Again, ripple. Temple. Again, temple. Serpent. Again, serpent. Carpet. Again, carpet. Zipper. Again, zipper. Supper. Again, supper. Toppings. Again, toppings. Napping. Again, napping. Copper. Again, copper. What other words have the middle sound pa? Very good. Now, pa in lick. Again, lick. Drop. Again, drop. Keep. Again, keep. Click. Again, click. Comp. Again, comp. Flap. Again, flap. Imp. Again, imp. Harp. Again, harp. Jump. Again, jump. What other words have the final sound pa? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? A purse on the pocket. Again, a purse on the pocket. The popping popcorns. The popping popcorns. Toppings of the pancake. Again, toppings of the pancake. Poll of the people. Again, poll of the people. A pot and a plant. Again, a pot and a plant.
Yeah.
Now let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? Peter, let's take a picture with the captain. Again. Peter, let's take a picture with the captain. The price of the pendant was so expensive. Again. The price of the pendant was so expensive. The pebbles beside the pool were painted pink. The pebbles beside the pool were painted pink. Reef ponds are very unpleasant to see. Reef ponds are very unpleasant to see. Please put the pieces of the paper inside your pocket. Again, please put the pieces of the paper inside your pockets.
Go.
The sound we just practiced in this video is sound PA. Repeat after me, PA. 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 Very good. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.